and welcome back to the AFI Project Lab. I'm Caitlin, and I've got a great last-minute winter project for you to add to your line for all of those guys out there. I'll be showing you how to put together a quick and easy gift set that contains a beard balm and a cologne with a matching fragrance from AFI. For today's project, I'll be theming this set off of our Bedford fall scent. With notes of pine, icy berries, and just a touch of musk, it makes a great wintry personal care fragrance for men. It's perfectly formulated for use in all kinds of products with a high IFRA usage rate in both colognes and beard care. Let's get started with the beard balm. To make it, use a heat-safe container and combine 1 part beeswax with 1 part liquid oil. You can use any liquid oil you have on hand depending on how moisturizing you want the balm to be. I'll be using hemp oil because it's got great label appeal and it's great for softening coarse beard hair. Follow that up with some coconut oil and shea butter. I'm using refined coconut oil and shea butter to cut back on the natural scent that it typically has. To get them melted down, use a microwave in short bursts or use a double boiler like me. It shouldn't take long, but you'll want to keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't get too hot and take forever to cool down enough for fragrance. While that's getting melted, let's get started on the cologne. Eau de colognes have a fragrance concentration of 2 to 5%. Depending on how strong your fragrance is, you can adjust how much you use within this range. Bedford Falls has strong, refreshing top notes with mellow base notes, so I'll be sticking with a 4% usage rate in mine. Start with your perfumer's alcohol and add in your fragrance, giving it a good stir with a stirring rod. Make sure you're using alcohol that's specially denatured. Perfume and colognes made with household liquors can't be sold to customers without an alcohol license because they're meant for consumption. For an alcohol-free version of this project, you can swap out the SDA 40B with DPG and package it in a roller bottle instead. Use a small funnel to fill your cologne bottles, leaving only the tiniest bit of air at the top of the bottle. That finishes up the cologne, so we're going to set the bottles aside for now and check back on the beard balm. Now we're gonna pop this out of the double boiler and let this cool just a little bit until the beaker is only warm to the touch. Now we're gonna stir in your fragrance oil and a little bit of vitamin E oil to slow down the oxidation of the product. Now all that's left is to fill the balm tins. Now let these cool to room temperature for a couple hours and your matching product set is done. Here's my little gift sets all packaged up nicely. Don't they make a nice pair? Whether you're prepping your line for holidays or just taking advantage of the matching product set trend, these are great for offering bundle deals for your customers. I hope you were able to get some product inspo from this video. If you want more content like this on your feed, subscribe to the AFI channel to support what we do here in the lab and ring that bell icon so you never miss a video. That wraps up today's video. I've got a ton more of these to make before my first holiday craft fair. So I'll see you guys later. Bye!